Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Welcome back. So, I don't know if you guys have seen my recent experiments with the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint. But if you have, you probably saw my last tree ring experiment in which I was able to get essentially pretty perfect tree ring with these paints. So I wanted to try it specifically with black and white. Now I originally did not buy black, but I went and picked it up just for this experiment. So I'm trying to pour kind of white on one side, black on the other as much as possible to not mix them. But these, just based off of the last tree ring I did, these didn't mix too much. So I'm just doing a little 8x10 canvas. And I'm totally fine with some gray. I just don't want too much gray. So it seems like the white is definitely sinking more, which is pretty normal for white. All right, let's give this a go. So I think I did about half and half. It's a little hard to tell with the cup, but we're gonna give this a try. Oop, okay. So definitely a lot more white at the bottom of the cup. And just like last time, I'm going to go ahead and torch this now, because this paint does get like some kind of weird air bubbles that don't really come out on their own. All right, and here we go. All right. So this is super cool. Came out, like, really couldn't have asked for something better. I was hoping for a little less gray and a little more stark black and white, but that's okay. I still love, love, love this. And I'm really glad I went and got that black. I'll have to try this again, probably a little bit differently, to see if I can get a more black, but that's okay. I love it, and I love the monotoneness of it. So let's go ahead and we will do our close-up. So starting on the lower right-hand corner, it's mostly black with kind of some little delicate white lines in there. It's a little hard to focus because of the reflectiveness. This is the upper right-hand corner. And as you can see, just really perfect lines in there. Upper left-hand corner. And then down to the lower left-hand corner. And I have to kind of work on ending off my middle without getting that little extra drop I always kind of get, but that's okay. Totally fine. So that was really super cool. I am loving this stuff for tree rings. I still have to do some more experiments coming up with adding silicone and also mixing them with some other paints. So those videos are still to come. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. And I will see you guys next time.